What's up, Juggalos? Yakima Juggalo here with one more unboxing today. This one is a CD that has already dropped. Let's go ahead and get right to it. This one. Hold on. Oops, they did a really good job. Packing it in this package. So I still buy CDs. So I went ahead and ordered, when I got enough money, Whitney Peyton's album, Alpha. And again, this dropped a couple months ago. When it dropped, I was broke. So you got Villain, Double Up, Enemy featuring Gina Fritz. Also, if you put them together, they make the group Keyed Up. I Got It, Kick It, No Time, Better Be, Smile, Like You Mean It, featuring Aaliyah Kotek, Not the Same. Now, she dropped this album on the Suburban Noize Records label. Here's what it looks like under the CD. Now, so far from what I've seen on Whitney Peyton's albums, she does a cool collage of photos that I've seen on each album with the fans, and I think that's pretty cool that she does that. And this is why I enjoy still buying CDs, because you get some cool CD books like this sometimes that you're not going to get on a digital platform. To me, as an old school juggalo born in the early 80s, growing up in the 90s, CDs and tapes were the way to go. This younger generation would know nothing about tapes. And you get the Whitney Peyton poster. So shout out to Whitney Peyton album she dropped on Suburban Noize, Alpha. Whoop whoop. Much motherfucker wicked clown love.